Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. This is our 1964 Mgb Mk1 Roadster, finished in its beautiful original color here of iris blue, black leather interior, 4-speed with super desirable factory overdrive that's working beautifully. Painted wire wheels, black cloth top, black top boot. Wonderful car here. We just purchased. It's originally a California car. Super good cosmetic restoration throughout. I think it's about only 8 years old, 10 years old, but absolutely beautiful paint, chrome, cosmetics, wheels, tires. You can see that lovely restored wheel and tire set. Excellent gaps, but a super restoration on this desirable 64 Mgb Mk1 fitted with overdrive, we believe, from the factory. So it's an original overdrive car. But yeah, rarely seen iris blue. Let's do another small, slow walk around here. Purchased it from a gentleman, I believe in Michigan, but it was his garage queen. But you know, definitely a West Coast sourced car from new, having a beautiful cosmetic restoration plus an engine rebuild. We've got documentation of an engine rebuild. Let's have a quick look at the speedo. 74,000 mile original car. Yeah, Mk1 MGB is quite desirable right now in the market. Just the purest original form of the MGB. And this car is in great colors, fitted with overdrive and a leather interior, wire wheels. So let's take a look at this car's interior. So iris blue, black trim, original seats trimmed in black leather, recipient of a super nice cosmetic restoration, new carpets, new leather seats, new panel kit. This is the original top boot in just fabulous condition. Under that top boot there is a very nice black cloth top. You can see here 74,060 miles. Have a look for the driving video we're gonna do in the next week or two on this car. But yeah, wonderful running driving car. And the last owner did a full engine rebuild with his son. We've got some photo documentation of that. Nice spare wheel, knockoff hammer, jack and tool in the bag, original jack and tool, and tonneau stirrups. Yeah, engine compartment is equally impressive. We'll take a look there. So they added these nice aftermarket hood struts, but all correctly finished with the underhood padding. You can see here beautifully restored engine compartment. And we've got documentation of the engine being rebuilt. Looks like the carbs are rebuilt. Original master cylinder that's been rebuilt. That's a really nice touch there. But yeah, wonderfully restored engine compartment in the original colors. Looks like it still retains the original wiring harness. Fantastic Mk1 if you're in the market. This is the original aluminum hood that the cars were fitted with from new. Little tiny bit of paint correction we're going to carry out on this. It looks like a moss panel kit. But yeah, super desirable pull door handle model. So early 64 Mgb pull door handle in quite possibly the best colors you can get. Maybe British Racing Green's another great color, or black. But yeah, wonderfully preserved West Coast car that's had an excellent full cosmetic restoration along with a recent engine rebuild. 1964 Mgb Roadster, finished in its original color of iris blue, black leather interior, black vinyl top boot, cloth top, 4-speed overdrive, 14-inch painted wire wheels, showing 74,000 miles, super genuine, super well preserved Mark I Mgb Roadster, fresh to the market. www.kurttannermotorcars.com.